Today, we'll be taking a look at the electronic control on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this back plate here. It's held on by just a couple of 1/4-inch screws. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the middle one in. I'll pull off a little bit, remove the center one, and set the plate to the side. Next, we need to lift the top. In order to do this, you'll have to pull out your lint screen. You have 2 Phillips screws holding on the top to the duct. At this point, you'll want to pull on one of the corners to release it from the front. You'll pull, lift up, do the same on the other side. Pull and lift up. And then there are 2 clips you'll have to disengage. These 2 metal clips, one on each side. You'll press and push in, and you'll feel the console start to separate from the metal. Do the same on the other side. Slide it, push in, drop the top back down. We will lay across a protected surface so that we can lift up on the console, roll it forward, and now we have clear access to all the components. Now that we have the console rolled forward, we have clear access to the electronic control. Now there's various reasons why you would need to replace your electronic control. 2 of the main ones would be if it is not starting or not heating. If you have tested your other components and have identified that the problem is the electronic control, in order to replace it, you're going to start by taking all of your harnesses off. You'll just pinch and pull. And then your heater harness is a little harder to get off. Just pull that off here. And then the actual control itself is held on by 1 1/4-inch screw. Slide this out, move your board to the side, lift up, and set it to the side. When installing your new electronic control, first we're going to put it where the long clip is in correspondence to this side, and it should go in on the other. Slide it across to hold it in place. Reinstall your screw. Now let's go ahead and reinstall all the wiring here. Now we can reinstall the console and back panel. When reinstalling the console assembly, first you will tip it back, bring the back in first, clip it into place. Then you'll line up the front, push it down, clip it into place. And then when reinstalling the duct screws, you'll have to push on the duct a little bit and get it started by hand, just so you don't drop the screw in, and tighten it up. Let's get the other one in here. Slide back in our lint screen, and now we can reinstall the back plate. When reinstalling your back plate, we're going to line it up, put in our first screw to hold it in, and then go around the remainder of the perimeter to install the others. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.